are watching our video for the first time, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell button to enable it. Like, comment and share.
Popcorn. Wild popcorn? Dangerous popcorn? Quiet popcorn.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Afza's world. Today we are going to try a new recipe, tapioca popcorn. For this we need 2 small slices of tapioca, 3 fennel seeds, 1 tablespoon, coconut grated, 1 cup. So first I'm going to grate the tapioca. I have grated all the tapioca I had. And now I'm going to squeeze this to remove the excess water. So we drained out the excess water from the tapioca. Keep the drained tapioca aside. After that, we are going to crush the coconut with the fennel seeds. Make sure you don't add any water. So I crushed the coconut. Now mix it with the tapioca and add some salt. Add salt as required. Mix it well. So now I mixed everything well, salt is okay. Now we are going to make it into small balls. Small balls as popcorn. This is how the tapioca mixture should be, like small balls. Now our tapioca balls are ready. Now we will deep fry the tapioca balls in oil. Pan is hot now, let's add the oil. Now make sure the oil is very hot. The oil is hot. Now I'll add the tapioca balls. Now our popcorn is almost ready.